तो मेरी व्यू को रास्ता पता नहीं कहाँ से ऊपर जाना है। यहाँ पे लेमनेड वगैरह ड्रिंक्स मिल रही हैं। तो अभी पता कर ही जाना ऊपर कैसे है। ऊपर जाना है 3 हाउस में, लेकिन हाइट पता नहीं रास्ता कौन सा जाता है। So my wife asked me for a direction because she don't know how to go to the tree house. I'm also wanna go up to the tree house, and there is the best lemon menu. What? You know? So what should we do? Then we should go back. Yeah. Let's just start walking to the city.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sadly, we can't go up. Let's get on a jeepney. Sadly, we can't go up on. So now we are going back, and let's explore this city, Pensana.
Let's just walk and walk until we came here.
Yeah, just start walking. We'll find some a tourist attraction. We'll go there.
Shopping.
It's okay. Sometimes it happens, Hannah. This is life, Hannah. This is life. You don't know. This is life. This is life. तो बस अभी हम चली जा रहे हैं। हमें पता नहीं हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं, लेकिन बस हम जा रहे हैं। So we are just walking. We wanna go up to the tree house, but sadly we can't go to the tree house because there's no way. So right now I have no idea where we're going. So we are just walking and walking and walking, and trying to figure out a way, which way we have to go. So, Hannah, this halal before a year. This is halal, can you see? Hannah, halal. And then what's that thing? Halal. And then what? I'm full, to be honest with you. I wanna get some, craving in my stomach before I eat. So let's walk first. तो हमें एक हलाल मिला है रास्ते बाहर, लेकिन हमने खाना खा लिया है। लेकिन अभी हमने यहाँ चलते हैं, भूख लगाते हैं, फिर कुछ खाते हैं। ओके कहने जाना पिलो देखा Hannah, मुझे टिट्टो जिग्स है। You wanna eat टिट्टो जिग्स? I don't think so you like टिट्टो जिग्स. तो ये जब हमसे चल रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं जा पा रहे हैं। ये है जम्बोंगा, and this is my bonga. Hannah, this is Zambonga and you are my bonga. बोंगे का मतलब पागल होता है इनकी जुबान में भी। Yeah, I'm your bonga and you are my bonga. No, in Urdu, bonga is for male, female is bongi. Yeah, you are my bongi. I'm your bonga and you are my bongi. So let's keep walking. How many times I told you should get a sunglasses, Hannah?
How many times I told you we can find?
How many times I told you we should try to find? There's so many dogs here. So I'm just trying to walk. I don't know where I'm going, but just trying to walk somewhere. There's some like a mini location. So it's like some kind of chicken, no, some kind of like barbecue stalls. Only rice. Hannah, is this halal? What is it, halal? We should eat something. Hannah? Just get like one.
Should we take out?
No, take out. Just get something one with share, It's up to you. Or just keep walking.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe next time. Thank you.